The DJI Avatar 360 is quickly becoming one of the most talked about drones of the year. And the reason behind this growing excitement is not just hype, but the sheer ambition suggested by the leaks and insider information surrounding it. According to DJI insider and well-known leaker Hakasushi, this drone represents a fundamental shift in how DJI is thinking about aerial imaging. Because the Avatar 360 is not designed to be just another FPV drone or just another 360 camera drone, but instead a true hybrid that merges both categories into a single flying platform. The most striking detail from the latest leak is the confirmation of a physically rotating camera module, rather than a fixed dual-lens system relying solely on software stitching. This rotating module allows the camera to switch between a full-sphere 360 capture mode and a traditional forward-facing FPV mode by mechanically shifting its orientation. And that one design choice alone has profound implications for how the drone can be used. In full 360 mode, creators can record everything around the drone at once, freeing themselves from worrying about framing during flight and allowing that perspective to be chosen later during editing. In FPV mode, the camera locks into a forward-facing position, delivering the immersive, high-speed visual experience pilots expect, with lower latency and more precise control. This means one drone can realistically replace both a compact 360 action camera drone and an FPV drone, which is something no mainstream manufacturer has truly achieved before. Previous attempts in the market usually involved compromises, either poor FPV performance or mediocre 360 image quality. But DJI appears to be targeting excellence in both areas, even if that approach raises enormous engineering challenges. Recent hardware images strongly support these claims, showing the rotating camera module integrated into the drone's front structure. This also finally explains why earlier leaks showed a thicker, slightly more curved front profile compared to previous Avatar models. Because DJI needed physical space to house the rotation mechanism, stabilization hardware, and protective structure required to keep the camera secure during aggressive flight. This is not a software gimmick or a simple lens trick. It is a true mechanical solution that demands precision engineering, durability, and synchronization between hardware and software. However, this ambitious design brings up serious questions within the drone community, especially among experienced FPV pilots who understand how difficult it is to balance performance, responsiveness, and weight. FPV drones demand ultra-low latency, high frame rates, excellent cooling, and minimal mass to maintain agility. A full 360 camera system, on the other hand, demands massive processing power, advanced stabilization, fast internal storage, and yet high-quality lenses, all of which typically add weight and complexity. Trying to combine these two worlds into a single airframe is like trying to design a race car that is also a luxury SUV. And many are skeptical about whether DJI can pull it off without heavily favoring one use case over the other. Adding fuel to this debate is the rumor that DJI is targeting a takeoff weight of under 250 grams for the Avatar 360. If true, this would be one of the most shocking achievements in DJI's recent history. The Avatar lineup has never been lightweight. Ducted propellers, reinforced frames, relatively large batteries, and protective shells have always pushed Avatar drones well beyond the sub-250-gram category. Hitting that threshold would place the Avatar 360 into a much more relaxed regulatory class in many regions, making it easier to fly without registration, which would dramatically expand its appeal to casual users and travel creators. The leaked images do suggest DJI is aggressively pursuing weight reduction. The top shell appears slimmer and longer, the frame looks more compact, and there are visible signs that DJI has reduced unnecessary plastic and internal reinforcement where possible. Even the motor ducts appear thinner, which suggests advanced materials or redesigned airflow structures are being used to maintain strength while shedding grams. The battery is rumored to be smaller in capacity compared to previous avatars, which supports the weight-saving theory, but this naturally raises concerns about flight time. FPV drones already struggle to deliver long endurance, And adding the power draw of 360 image processing could further limit airtime. DJI may be relying on new, more efficient processors and improved power management to offset this. But until real-world numbers are confirmed, flight time remains a big unknown. What complicates the sub-250-gram rumor even further is the reported inclusion of advanced sensing hardware. The Avatar 360 is rumored to include omnidirectional obstacle sensing, with forward, side, and possibly rear vision sensors along with dual LiDAR modules. These features would dramatically improve safety and allow for more intelligent flight behaviors, especially in autonomous or semi-autonomous modes. But sensors, cameras, and LiDAR units all add weight. Including them while still reducing overall mass would require extreme optimization and possibly custom-designed components unlike anything DJI has used before. If these leaks are accurate, it suggests that DJI has not simply iterated on the Avatar 2 design but has instead started almost from scratch, reimagining the entire platform specifically around this hybrid concept. From a creative perspective, the potential of the Avatar 360 is enormous. Action sports creators could capture high-speed FPV runs through forests, mountains, or urban landscapes. Then switch to 360 mode to create immersive shots that feel more like flying memories than traditional video. Travel vloggers could launch once and come back with footage suitable for wide cinematic edits, vertical social media clips, and immersive VR content, all from a single flight. Even filmmakers could experiment with new storytelling techniques, placing viewers inside scenes rather than simply showing them from a fixed perspective. This shift toward immersive capture aligns with broader trends in content creation, where audiences increasingly value presence and experience over perfectly composed shots. At the same time, FPV purists are watching closely to see if DJI can maintain the raw responsiveness and manual control that serious pilots demand. DJI has sometimes been criticized for making FPV products that feel too assisted or sanitized, favoring stability and safety over the raw, mechanical feel of traditional FPV drones. With the Avatar 360, DJI has a chance to bridge that gap by offering deep, manual control in FPV mode while still providing intelligent assistance in 360 mode. Whether DJI allows full manual acro control without heavy software intervention will be a major deciding factor for experienced pilots. The rumored use of DJI's latest transmission system could help here, promising lower latency and stronger signal stability, which are critical for FPV flying. All signs point to December as a key moment for this drone, with final confirmations and possibly an official launch event expected before the end of the year. DJI is known for strategic timing, and releasing such a bold product ahead of competitors would reinforce its dominance in both the FPV and creative camera markets. If the Avatar 360 delivers even close to what the leaks suggest, it could redefine what people expect from consumer drones, blurring the lines between categories that were once clearly separated. Still, skepticism is healthy. Balancing weight, performance, battery life, processing power, and affordability is an enormous challenge. DJI has failed to meet overhyped rumors before, and not every leaked feature may make it into the final product. But even if some compromises are made, the mere fact that DJI is attempting such a hybrid design signals a bold direction for the company. The Avatar 360 feels less like an incremental upgrade and more like a statement, a declaration that drones do not have to fit neatly into single roles anymore. Whether it becomes a masterpiece or a fascinating experiment, it already represents one of the most ambitious drone concepts DJI has ever pursued. And for creators, pilots, and tech enthusiasts alike, that alone makes it one of the most important drone releases to watch this year.